Scheduling tasks. By adding tasks to your appointment book in Shortcuts Live, you and your employees can easily see what is required of everyone throughout the day, including times when you may not have client bookings. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add a task to the appointment book, change the task duration, and delete a task from the appointment book. From Operations, select Appointments. Navigate to the day you want to add the task to. From the bottom bar of the slide-out panel, click Task. Select a task from the list, then click Done. The task will be added to the appointment book at the allocated time. Click and drag to resize the task if you want to increase the duration. To add the task to another employee's column, repeat the process. To remove a task, double-click to reveal the side panel. Then select Delete. Click Yes to confirm, and the task will be removed from the appointment book. In this lesson, you've learned how to add a task to the appointment book, change the task duration, and delete a task from the appointment book.